Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Example: I go for a walk every morning. I go for a walk every morning. Walk the dog. Walk the dog. Example: I walk the dog in the evening. I walk the dog in the evening. Take a nap. Take a nap. Example: I take a nap after lunch. I take a nap after lunch. Take a shower. Take a shower. Example: I take a shower before bed. I take a shower before bed. Take a taxi. Take a taxi. Example: I usually take a taxi when I am running late. I usually take a taxi when I am running late. Chat with friends. Chat with friends. Example: I chat with friends on the phone every day. I chat with friends on the phone every day. Make a shopping list. Make a shopping list. Example: I make a shopping list before going to the store. I make a shopping list before going to the store. Go grocery shopping. Go grocery shopping. Example: I go grocery shopping on Sundays. I go grocery shopping on Sundays. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Example: I sweep the floor every day. I sweep the floor every day. Vacuum the carpet. Vacuum the carpet. Example: I vacuum the carpet twice a week. I vacuum the carpet twice a week. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. Example: I dust the furniture on Saturdays. I dust the furniture on Saturdays. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Example: I mop the floor on Mondays. I mop the floor on Mondays. Clean the windows. Clean the windows. Example: I clean the windows once a month. I clean the windows once a month. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Example: I take out the trash every evening. I take out the trash every evening. Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.